First of all, I would like to thank the Pakistan Army, ISPR, and the Foreign Office for arranging this tour, visit to the line of control. We have seen the scenes here, and what I can say is I would only repeat what my president, Mr. Erdogan, Turkish president, has 2 days ago put in front of the whole world in the UN General Assembly, that Kashmir issue is a burning issue and there should be a solution to this issue within the line of UN Security Council resolutions, dialogue between Pakistan and India, and of course taking into account of the will of the Kashmiri people.
I'm here at the line of control during an organized visit for ambassadors to see to the situation here. I'm basically here to see and listen to the explanations.
I'm very pleased, first of all, that the ISPR had organized this and invited us. I've always wanted to see for myself not only the violations, but just to see the place. I'm grateful that I have now seen the victims, spoken to some of them, and the effects on the infrastructure. So I hope there will be a solution in the near future.
Many things that is happened in Kashmir, inshallah that Kashmir is solved. We are supported the people of the Kashmir every day.